Due to the spread of coronavirus all over the world, restaurants and other food establishments are forced to close until further notice. That's why we took the opportunity to make a business out of that problem. That is the start of Gogi Box Cavite. Good morning! I am Janidine Arbasaysay, one of the owner and the marketing officer of Gogi Box Cavite. Samgyeopsal industry boosted up within the last 3 years. The Korean influenced us to try their food. Samgyeopsal is a popular Korean dish that is commonly served as an evening meal. Gogi Box Cavite was founded last March 2020 during the pandemic. It started when the government implemented enhanced community quarantine, and all the restaurants, malls, and public places are shut down. During enhanced community quarantine, most of the people are cravings for something that is not accessible to the customers like Korean samgyeopsal. That's when it started. The company came up with a plan to serve Korean samgyeopsal in a bento box. It is composed of rice, a choice of meat between pork and beef, 2 choices of side dishes that include kimchi, braised tofu, fish cake, and potato marble. In this era, when the online community is growing rapidly, Gogi Box Cavite aimed to cater to the household's cravings for samgyeopsal without going outside the house. Gogi Box is the first ever samgyeopsal in a box in the entire Cavite. We market our business via online platforms like Facebook and Instagram. We also made online flyers. Our basic operation starts by completing the fresh ingredients, which are the meat and lettuce. The business is an authentic Korean distributor of those ingredients, which is located at BF Homes, Parañaque. Once the supplies are completed, the business can proceed with taking orders from the clients. The kitchen made sure that the fresh ingredients are not spoiled and expired. We keep our kitchen clean and sanitized every day. Let's now talk about our SWOT analysis. So, our strength is that we have very little competition within the market while having high gross margins. The business typically is able to have very high inventory turnover as it relates to food. Weakness: limited product availability. For now, the business is focusing on samgyeopsal in a box with 6 different choices of side dishes. Opportunities: the business can readily expand by simply establishing another branch per town or outside the initial private market. Threats: the ongoing risk of an economic recession will impact the customer's ability to Korean samgyeopsal food. The good news is, we are open for franchising and business expansion. I will be sharing the 9 benefits in franchising Gogi Box. 1. Recognize an established brand. When you buy a Gogi Box franchise, you have the right to choose the Gogi Box trade name and trademark or our company logo. This gives you an access to the well-known brand's customer base, so attracting and finding your first customer will be that difficult. 2. Tried and tested business model. The Gogi Box operating system of franchising have been tested in various markets in Quezon Province and Metro Manila, Philippines, and have already been proven to be effective. The policies, procedures, and control system for running are laid out in the operating manual. All you have to do is to follow it. 3. Easier to get a great location. Having our backing or popular brand makes it easy to get a list for your franchise business site. 4. Training support. Starting your own franchise business with us is a great way to learn how a successful company operates. Gogi Box will provide training to help your business understand our business model, and learn the day-to-day operation. Customer service and use of trade secrets such as recipes for food franchises. Franchise packages may also include employee screening and training. 5. Pre-opening assistance. We help you to pre-opening needs of your franchise business such as site design, evaluation, construction, as well as to the grand opening of your Gogi Box franchise. 6. Franchise support. Gogi Box have solid marketing and advertising campaigns in place. Other effects trickle down to your franchise business, including card franchise, marketing materials, standee, and tarpaulins. 7. Continuous research and development. No need to worry about spending time and money for product development and innovation because we will take care of that. You can just focus on operating instead. 8. Faster ROI or return on investment. Compared to starting your own business, you can expect a quicker return on investment with a franchise business. The access with us to branding, customer base, operating system, and all sorts of opening support cuts down the time it takes to recover your investment. 9. Higher chances of success. Running a franchise business has success of 90% based on the study. Franchising fee is for only $250,000 and you will be enjoying all of that benefits. Gogi Box Cavite is open to discuss regarding the financial statement and sending you a copy of the business plan. There is no better time to franchise than now. We are excited to hear from you and be a part of our business.